15 completely different variations all in one flow. None of these images was prompted manually. Every single prompt was written by the LLM nodes you see in here. Today, we're getting into the assistant node, the LLM inside Flows. This is the node that turns any semi-manual generator into a real production system, because this is the tool that gives you scale. You write one master prompt and the LLM applies it to anything you give it. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, so what is this LLM node? It's a large language model living inside your flow. You drop it on the canvas, you give it an instruction, and it does what an LLM does. It reads input, it writes output. One thing to lock in your head right now is that the output of the LLM is always text. So if it produced a prompt, you can plug it straight away into image or video generator. The assistant doesn't make the picture or video itself. It writes what the picture or video has to be. And on the node itself, you get to pick which model you want running: GPT-5, Gemini 3, or Claude Sonnet. Alright, so first use case, enhancing a prompt. Most of us write pretty lazy prompts, admit it. You type something like cinematic product shot, and you expect magic from image or video model. For this, you can use assistant node, so you or your team can easily enhance the prompt in a way you want. So you prompt your LLM to take whatever the user gives you and write back a properly structured generation prompt with framing, lighting, mood, length, duration, and so on. Now you type cinematic product shot, and it adds all of the details and structure of the image or video you're generating. Second use case, reverse prompting an image. You upload an image, you wire it into the LLM, and in your master prompt, you tell it, look at this image and write me the generation prompt that would create it. Very simple, but very useful. Use case 3, writing a prompt based on the input. So LLM, as you know, accepts both text and images as input. So in my example, you see I've only entered a link to a product and an image of the product and connected both prompts to my assistant node. This assistant node is prompted to generate a reaction meme based on the input I provided. The LLM went to check the product by the link I provided it with, checked the image, and then tailored my prompt to the product I uploaded. Then I simply connected the assistant node to my image generator. Converting this ad from square to a vertical format is also very easy. You just add another image generator, connect the image as input, and write a short prompt that says, convert this ad to a vertical format, maintain all text and visuals, adjust the spacing and layout to fit the vertical format. And you can repeat this for other formats as well. Now, when I replace the product link and an image, the LLM would still do its job perfect. Alright, that's it for the assistant node. Remember, the output is always text, and you can wire your LLM to do whatever you want from it. Now go try it out and let your imagination drive your creativity. In the next episode, I'm gonna show you a new node that we have just added, Riz. This is our proprietary video model that uses image and audio to generate realistic talking head videos. You'll also learn how to upload audio and generate audio directly inside Flows. I'll see you in the next one.